Welcome to today's session here and out. I hope you enjoyed the previous video that I did, because the thing that I mentioned at the start of yesterday's video is that I am giving you a Star Classroom workbook which takes you through one of the strategies that I trade here, called the trend continuation trade. It's not this trade in particular. This trade of the day, I want to cover the CYPHER pattern on the dollar-yen 15-minute time frame here. And I'm currently, we hit target on Aussie dollar 4-hour time frame. Price action came down and hit our target here. So what I'm looking at now is a potential move towards target 2 down at the 618 Fibonacci retracement. So after targets, again, this is Aussie dollar 4-hour time frame. This is a bat pattern. The B point did not hit the 618, so it's not a Gartley pattern. This is a bat pattern because we're just shy of the 618. So right now, we came down and hit target 1. So I trade 2 contracts. We take off half of the position and then we roll stops to break even. And now I'm looking for a continued move down into the 618. And this was a really good trade to add. So that's 55 pips on this one for target 1. Yes, so that's an update. Also, yesterday hit some targets as well with the trend continuation trade. That's why I want to mention it to you now, because it's a good strategy. So what I did is created the Star Classroom workbook for you, and that covers reading the language in the market, and that covers structure levels. It also covers Fibonacci levels that I use. And then after that, it will show you the exact strategy and conditions for the trend opportunity. So if you want to do some trend trading alongside with me and do the exact strategy that I do here, just head on over to the description area. Click on the link and download the workbook for free. Not only that, after you get the workbook, after I send it to you, on the next page after that, you can sign up for free for the membership platform and get the videos that I put together for you that walk you through every step of the way to make sure that you're actually doing it correctly. Because the byproduct of doing it correctly is profits for you. So if you do like that, head on over to the link, sign up. I'll send you the book and create a free account to log in and get started on those videos. So that's how I wanted to start this video with the updates. And now I want to head on over to trade of the day here. And, I've missed this trade yet again. It does happen. Missed this trade yet again, but I do have my orders here. So if price action, see if I can get a move up into this level here. If I can get back up into there, still not filled, then we can get short on this. Now this is dollar-yen 15-minute time frame. And what I'm looking at is a CYPHER pattern, okay? So how do we identify the CYPHER pattern? Well, we take this swing high all the way down to this swing low. Okay, so we first look at this impulse leg, and what I need is a Fibonacci retracement tool, and the minimum I'm looking for is a 382. Okay, so we take this swing high to this swing low. So this is our impulse leg. And then we grab our Fibonacci retracement tool, okay? So we go from swing high all the way down to swing low. like this. And for condition 1 of the cipher pattern, we're looking for that minimum 382 level right here. So price action, we get a pullback right up into that 382. So then we're looking for the next condition. And what we want to do is take the same impulse leg, okay? This swing high to this swing low. But instead of the retracement, we want to use the extension tool. So let's grab the Fibonacci extension tool and go from swing high to swing low and back up in like this. And the second condition that we're looking for is a move all the way down into a 127 Fibonacci extension, which we get right here. Okay, price action extends all the way down into a 127. So that's 2 conditions met. The third, what we're looking for completion right now, and this is at market, by the way. This is a valid cipher pattern, even though my limit orders are still resting here. What we're looking for number 3 is a CD completion from this swing low to this swing high. Okay, now let's grab the Fibonacci retracement tool from the full leg of the move, so up here all the way down to here. So CD completion all the way up into a 786 Fibonacci retracement from this swing high all the way down to this swing low. Okay, so this move all the way down to here. Once we draw the Fibonacci retracement tool, we're looking for a CD completion all the way up into a 786, which we get right here. And if I draw this in, so it's easy to see and recognize, we have a valid cipher pattern right here. So as price action pushes up into a 786, we want to front run our entries here. So that's why I've got my entries right here to account for the spread. This is a valid trade opportunity. Now, if I have an edge with this strategy, then I must execute this trade every single time price action presents this pattern. So every single time I see this pattern, I have to buy or sell no matter what. Because we've tested this trade, we know it has a positive expectancy, therefore it wins more than it loses, and that gives us an edge. So we have that positive expectancy. And without that positive expectancy, profits are only short-lived, because then you're going to donate them back to the marketplace because the market has an edge over you. So that's why we want to test these strategies and know with absolute certainty that what we are trading actually produces a profit. Which is a positive expectancy. So again, without that, you don't know what you're trading actually works. But if you put in the time and dedicate the effort to test that and know your numbers and treat this as a business, and you trade a strategy that has a positive expectancy, by following those steps, you can absolutely make trading work for you. But you must have a plan, and you must test that plan and know that your plan strategy has an edge in the markets. So the point here is either you have an edge or the market has an edge. The question is, which side do you want to be on? And I would say that, your side. You having an edge. Right here, 786. Let's draw our box tool. Actually, I'll squash this up. Let's draw this box tool right here. Like this, and we know what this is. Okay. This is our sell zone right here. So again, I caught this late. Let's see what happens with price action here. See if we can actually get up into my limit order and trigger to get involved in this trade. Let's see what happens. I was just buying some time for it to see. And yeah, we got our stops in the right place at the 113. So stops above our X point. And now lastly, all we need to do is, so yeah, we put our stops in place. So we know where to get out if we're wrong on this trade. And now we do the targets. So targets is a Fibonacci retracement from CD, so right here, swing low all the way up into swing high. Again, it's traditional pattern targets. So for number one, for the first target, we want the 382 Fibonacci right here, like this. And then for target 2, we want to drag that down just above the 618 right here. Right there. Okay. So this is my entry, this is my stop, and this is my targets. So I know where I want to get involved in, and I know where I want to get out if I'm wrong. And I know where I want to take profits if I'm right. Okay, so this is the dollar-yen 15-minute time frame trade of the day. Now, as I mentioned, my limit orders are right here at the 786. But if price action comes all the way down into our targets, then I have to cancel these limit orders and just say, hey, that's a mistrade. And that happens in trading. It's called human error. So we want to account for that too when you are trading the markets every day, because we all make mistakes. And we can't capture every trade that does present itself. Okay, so just make sure that you're doing the best you can to match your tested results with your live results. All right. That's about it though. Not a long video today. If you haven't, again, go out and check the link below, download the Star Classroom workbook. And then after that, create your free account to get involved in the members area. And then you'll be able to go through the video training and start learning how to read the language of the markets, read structure levels, and create a trend trading strategy for you that you can go out and test, and then ultimately take that to the live markets and start trading for profits there. But yeah, until tomorrow, be safe, enjoy life, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much.